These videos are not financial advices. Everything shared here is provided for educational purposes only. Welcome to 30 Trades in 30 Days Trading Challenge. The rules for this challenge is very simple. We take one trade per day. If we win that, we stop the session. If we lose that, we double the amount on the next trade. If we win that, we stop the session again. If we lose that again, we have to accept the pain and start over the next day. If you want to follow along with this challenge with me and see the real process of trading and ups and downs, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now so you don't miss the next parts. Now, let's have today's session. Hello everyone, let's have today's trading session. I already found two setups. I will explain. Wait. I'm gonna take this one. This is a third touch breakout. In case if I lose this, I will take this decision point right here. So these are the two setups that I am planning for in case if I lose this. As you know, I will only take one trade per day. And it seems that today's trade is successfully a winning trade. Beautiful gap up. Beautiful round number. See that? This is a round number. And this is a third touch breakout. I think this is the shortest session of mine. So I will try to explain. Okay. This is it. In this challenge, I will only take one trade per day. And that was today's trade. This is simply a third touch breakout setup. First touch, second touch, third touch. And as you know, we don't only trade based on one reason. We have to combine different reasons. Now, if I zoom in, if I put this away, you see this candle closed here. The next candle started with a gap up. It didn't start from where it closed. It started from a jump up and then it comes down. Once this gap up happens, this is a confirmation that the sellers, most likely they're going to enter. Okay, not always, most likely. Okay, so we have confirmation here. We have the setup and we have an extra confirmation, which is this round number. You see, these are round numbers in the chart and they usually react. Okay, they usually react. Pay attention to my words. Not always, usually. Okay, so the whole trading idea behind this strategy is that, look again, gap up, is that we have to have a setup first and then we add up the confirmations and other concepts that we know to have the higher chance of a winning trade. If I go to the chart and I try to take every gap up, every third touch breakout, every single setup everywhere, at the end of the day, I will have 60 to 70 winning ratio in the best case scenario. But if I combine different reasons, try to add confluences and confirmations and everything, I will have at least like 80 to 85% winning ratio, and that's just enough to become profitable. Now, you see this worked. This may feel like this is going to work every time. So here it also worked. In some cases, it doesn't work because you don't have proper setup. Now, in this trade that I took, this trade, I had also closing on a round number. See, this is the round number. And the starting point here exactly from the round number. So that's another confirmation. So we took this trade with 3 reasons. Now, this is another trade that I was looking to take. Wait, we have 2 demand areas. One is this one, and another one is this one. Okay. Another one, this one. And the reason behind this is very simple, that we have this resistance, we have this price channel, and then the breakout of this price channel happened. So the root cause of that could be this one or this one. And if I try to find lower time frame entries, I have to go to lower time frame step by step, and then I'll try to find them. Look at this. Wait. In lower time frame, we look for fresh demand areas. If I was failing that trade, the first trade I took, I would take this one. Okay, this red zone would be my entry. Also, this red zone. See, these are marked in lower time frame. And once the market touches this zone, I would take my trade in, right? And I would win this trade. So I prepared these two setups. This one, and this one, which fortunately this one worked. And I'm done with today's session. I hope you enjoyed. I will take one trade per day for 30 days, and we'll see what happens. If you want to follow this challenge, just make sure you hit the subscribe button right now. Thank you for watching, and peace out.